Welcome back to another Nightingale Discord tutorial. In this video, we'll be setting up server logs. We'll start by opening up your Discord server. You'll want to create the channels for logs if you haven't already. We'll do this together. You can see we have no logging channels right now. You'll need to go to the top and hit Create Category. Let's name it Logs. Now you'll see at the bottom, you have the category for logs. Right-click the category, and let's make it a private one. We want to set it so only staff members can see logs. You can also leave it so only admins can, but I like all my staff to see them. Going into the advanced permissions, we want staff to be able to view the channels, send messages, as well as embed links and upload files, and also add reactions and use external emojis and stickers. Give them permissions to read message history, then hit Save. Now, let's create our logging channels. There's quite a few, so pause the video as you go. First, let's do member logs. Next, we have ban logs. Now mod logs. We'll create a channel for invite logs too. A channel for join and leave logs. This will track members as they come and go from the server. The next channel is optional, but we'll add a partner logs channel for if we want to partner our server later on with other like servers. Next, we'll create a ticket log where the tickets will be stored once closed. A verification log channel to log members who have been verified. Voice channel logs, and lastly, we want to add transcript logs. I made a typo in the video, but you can see how to edit a channel name here as well by right-clicking and editing the name. Just a couple more channels. We want to log the kicks and timeouts for members as well. Now let's hop on over to Dyno and set up the logs. On the dashboard, you want to go to Modules and then Action Log. We want to specify channels for each event and also show avatar on join/leave. You can leave the new account age as 3 days, or you can change it. This next part is a lot, so pause the video as needed. Under Message Events, we want to change Message Delete and Message Edit to mod logs. Change Image Delete and Bulk Delete to mod logs as well. Change log invites to invite logs and moderation commands to mod logs. Under Member Events, you will change Member Join and Leave to the Join Leave logs. For Member Role Add and Remove, change to Member Logs. Member Timeout Logs to Timeout Logs and Nickname change to Member Logs. For Member Ban and Unban, you'll change that to the Ban Logs. Under Role Events, you can put them in mod logs, or you can create a server log channel for them. You'll do the same for channel and emoji events as well. For voice events, you'll put them all in VC logs. Once you've done that, you have successfully created your logging channels. Make sure your module is enabled, and then you're all good to go.